So we just got these MPOW headphones that supposedly have really good reviews, and they're only about 20 bucks. So they're actually in a pretty nice box, I can say. When we open them up, it's just your headphones, and then everything is wrapped up in there. There's nothing else. So we take it out of the bubble wrap carefully. Just like that. Here is the headphones, and this can mute the microphone, mute the speakers, and go up volume and down volume. That's actually pretty cool that it has that. Now we're going to take this out. Gonna just take off some of this protector stuff. Kind of gets in the way a little bit. So what you're gonna do is, this kind of took me a little bit to figure this out. Open this, and once you get it out, this USB will plug into your computer, but then on this end here, that's the jack that this plugs into. This does not go into your computer. So these two connect, and then you plug it into your computer, and that's how you get it to actually pick up the microphone, and you'll also be able to hear through it. Peel these. It's always really cool to peel these off. Now let's test this out, see how well they work. So this here is our gaming computer. We call it Batman because it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna plug in these headphones, and you can see the light turned on. Now let's try to get them up on the computer. So this right here is a program that we have on our computer. It's called Simple Screen Recorder. And what it does is it can screen record, but for this purpose we're just going to be testing out the audio. So all of these settings, we're going to change the back end to ALSA. Now some of these settings might be different from what's on your computer because we're using an operating system called Linux. Most computers that you buy now would have Windows or Microsoft. That's what you'd be running on your computer, but we put this operating system, we like it a little better. So the back end would be ALSA. Again, you might not have this on your computer, and then the source will be just default. So now we're going to click continue. Right now we're just saving it on the desktop as test. And we have the preview running. So I'm going to take these, and right now, if you tap it, you can see it moves up. Now sometimes whenever you plug these in, it won't work right away. You might sometimes have to go into your sound settings and then select in your input whatever these are called. Right now it's a microphone MPOW. So once you have that selected, you can see these work. So I'm going to put these on. And these definitely block out a lot of sound on your ears. It's kind of like wearing earmuffs. So I'm going to start the recording real quick and see how it works. Testing, testing, 1, 2, testing, testing. Okay, now that we got that, we're going to save the recording and see how it worked. So we're going to go to desktop and find the test. Testing, testing, 1, 2, testing, testing. Turn the speakers up a little bit. Testing, testing, 1, 2, testing, testing. And that is incredible audio for a $20 headphone with a microphone. I would definitely say this is worth it. That is amazing. This fan here, we would have to turn off whenever we were filming a video because it would be so loud. But with those, you can turn this thing on and it won't show up in the headphones. Now that we have the fan running, Let's try one again and we'll see if we can hear the fan. Testing, testing, 1, 2. Testing, testing. Can you hear the fan? Now we'll save the recording and see what it sounds like. So I save this as test 2. Testing, testing, 1, 2. Testing, testing. Can you hear the fan? And I'm going to turn off the fan because the camera we're using right now, it doesn't have that hooked up to it, so you'll be able to hear the fan right now. Now with the fan turned off, we'll listen to it. Testing, testing, 1, 2. Testing, testing. Can you hear the fan? And now if I play the other one. Testing, testing, 1, 2. Testing, testing. They sound exactly the same. So I'd say that really blocked out some of the background noise well. So the initial impression of these, they seem to work really well right out of the box. So if any of you have any other suggestions or you had other experiences with that, just let us know in the comments and we'll be happy to look at those. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.